What's up everybody? In today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make a tool in Roblox Studio. So let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to start making your tool. So for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to put a part for a tool. So I'm just going to put a part here, and then I'm going to add in on the workspace, I'm going to add in a tool. If you don't see that, just search up tool, but it should be under frequently used if you use it a lot. And then put the part inside the tool. And then make sure you name the part handle. Every tool needs to have a part, or yeah, just a part inside of it. It doesn't have to be a part, it can be like a mesh or something, but make sure that the main part is called the handle in your tool, or else you won't be able to hold it, because that's how tools are used. You need a handle. Make sure you spell it exactly like that. And make sure you don't anchor it, or else you're going to stay in place. So now if I was to add this tool into my starter pack, and I was to play the game, you will see inside my starter pack I have a tool. And then when I click it, you'll see I have a tool, which is the part. So that's very simple how you make a tool, but for the sake of this video, I'm not just going to end it there. I'm going to give you some more tips and stuff for tools. Alright, so first thing is download a plugin. It's called Tool Grip Editor. If you don't, I'll put it in the description if you want. I have it right here, Tool Grip Editor. And what it does is it spawns a rig when you're selecting your tool. So make sure you're selecting the tool, and it will spawn a rig, and you can change the grip of the tool. So like I can change the grip. I can rotate it. You can press R to rotate it. Actually, you can't press R here. You have to press the you can't. Oh wait, I don't think you can rotate it. I don't know how you would rotate this. I don't think you can. Actually, you should be able to. I forgot how to rotate it though. I don't know, but I don't think I can rotate this because this is a part. But you can move it to wherever you want. Like I can move it there, and then I can close the plugin like that. And when I join the game, you'll see that. Oops, I didn't put in the starter pack. Let me put in the starter pack real quick. Starter pack, and now if I was to play the game, you will see that I have it, and now I'm gripping it differently, and that's as simple as that. That's how you use the Tool Grip Editor. And now if I'm going to show you what does happen if I was to anchor this and I was to play the game, you'll see that I spawn in the game, and now I'm going to spawn exactly where my part was whenever I put it in the tool in my starter pack, and now I can't move, and now it's just gonna stay. I don't know what's happening. So you see it's anchored, so make sure you keep it unanchored if you want to be able to move around with it. And you can rename this tool to anything you want. Like I can just name this part. And now if I rename the tool to part, and I was to put in the starter pack, now when I join the game, you will see that I have the tool's named part now in the inventory bar, the hotbar. So now that we know how to make a tool, let's just make an example here. So I'm going to show you how you can make I don't know, let's just make a weight. Let me just make a weight. This is going to be really not detailed weight. I'm just going to make a weight like this. So a weight would be like that. This is probably too big, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to insert a rig here and see how big it is. I know I'm using Arthro as a rig, but I just clicked that first. So right here, this is too big, so I'm using this model to scale the rig so it doesn't look too big, like that. And now, okay, that's good. Now I'm going to make this a bit smaller. I'm going to duplicate that, put it right here, and now I'm going to group this right here, and I'm going to rename this weight. Actually, you know what, I'm not going to group it. I don't know why I grouped it. I'm going to rename these parts to part. Alright, now that we have our weight here, I'm going to put it inside the tool. I'm going to name the tool, this time I'm going to name the tool weight. Okay, Now that we have our tool, inside the tool we need to have a handle. So this part in the middle, I'm going to make it the handle. So I'm going to say handle, and now I'm going to open up my tool grip editor so I can change the grip. Make sure you're selecting the tool. I'm going to change the grip of this so it looks like that, and like this. Oh, okay. Press Z to rotate it. I'm sorry. I forgot that you could press Z to rotate it instead. So rotate by pressing Z, and yeah, it should be good. So now I'm gonna play the game. Actually, I'm gonna put in the starter pack, and now I'm gonna play the game. Okay. Now, oops. Okay, so we ran into a problem here. I didn't do something correctly. Let me just delete the output just in case anything happened. But when I open up my weight, you'll see that these parts spawn over here, because that is where I had it. So if I stop the game, you'll see that those two parts, whenever I put this back in the workspace, those two parts were over here. So now why is that? So now that is because we did not put it inside the handle. If you see a touch interest spawn inside your handle, I just delete it, because touch interest, I think it just means whenever you touch the part. Like, if I was, let me stop the game. But if I was to keep the touch if I was to add in a touch interest, touch, I don't think you can add it actually. Okay, I think what touch interest is just when you run over a part, it will pick it up. I think that's what it is. I'm not too sure, but I just delete it because I don't need it. So I'm gonna play the game, and now I think it should work. So when I spawn in and then I open my weight, nope, it still spawns it over there. Okay, let me fix that real quick. Okay, I'm gonna put this back in the workspace here, and okay, hold on. Let me test something out real quick. Let me see if my touch interest theory was correct, to see if it actually does that. So let me see if you actually pick it up. Okay, you do pick it up whenever you touch it. That's what a touch interest does. So I was correct. Now I'm gonna figure out why these parts. Oh, okay. Here's why these parts. Okay. Sorry. So you need to weld them. That's why. Welding parts. That's what you need to do in order to keep it from doing that. So I'm gonna show you how to weld stuff. So we're going to go up here to model. Then we're going to go to create. I'm sorry. And then go into weld. So now we're gonna select the part, this one, and then we're gonna select this part. So now we just welded this part to this handle. We're gonna do the same thing for the other one. So I'm going to weld this one to that one, and there we go. You will see we have weld constraints in here. So I think you can move these parts back into the normal weight without having it be in the handle. So now I'm going to go to starter pack, and if you don't know what welding is, basically it's just, it welds a part. It like makes the part connect to the part that you want. So there we go. We have our weight here. So that's how you weld stuff. That's how you weld stuff. Okay, so now let's see. Is there anything else we need to cover about tools? Let me see. So we learned how to weld stuff. We know how to make tools. No, I don't think we need to learn anything else, but I am going to teach you one bonus thing about tools, just so you know how to use them a bit, if you wanted to. So I'm going to add in a script, and then inside the script, I'm going to say, tool equals script, and then dot parent, and let's say tool dot activated connect function. And now let's just say, in here we're going to say, actually, whenever we activate it, let's print activated, and then let's copy this, and then down here we're going to say, instead of activate, we're going to say deactivated. Let's say, print deactivated. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Wait, cut that part out where I do that. So we're going to copy this, and then we're going to print deactivated here. Actually, we're going to say that change this to deactivated, and then I'm going to print deactivated. And now, what should happen is when we run the game, or play the game, I mean, it should, oops, I didn't put it in the starter pack. We can put it in the starter pack, and then what should happen is when we play the game, we should, it should print in here. Where is it? Let me redo this. Okay, there we go. It's whenever we press it. Okay, so when we press it should print deactivated and activated. And that is another cool thing you can do. So you can do that with other stuff. So I'm gonna say tool. Oops, I didn't mean it. Let's do this. I'm gonna add in a click detector. Click detector. So let's say I'm gonna make a new variable. Click equals tool dot click detector. So now we're going to say click dot mouse click connect function, and now in here we're going to put in let's see, we're gonna put in what should I put in? I should put in, let's just say clicked, or what am I doing? Print clicked. Okay, so now if I was to put this back in the workspace and I was to play here, it should when I press it, it should print clicked. So I don't know why I put that actually into the video, even though since we're not actually picking it up. So yeah, that's how you do that. If you wanted to make it do that. And yep, that's basically all that there is to know about tools. That's how you make tools. So yeah, you can use tools for a lot of things if you wanted it to make it like maybe like a sword or something. So thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.